If you have a house in Maumee, Ohio, and you want to sell fast, easy, conveniently, and for a fair price, then this video is definitely for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in Maumee, Ohio, all over the Toledo area, and all over the whole great state of Ohio. And in this video, I'm going to share with you why so many sellers in Maumee prefer to sell to us as a direct buyer. The number one reason people love selling to us is we're going to keep it super easy for you. The way we keep it easy is we're going to buy your house in Maumee, Ohio, in its as-is condition. We don't care if it needs work. We prefer it when it needs work. There's no work too big or too small for us, and we're able to buy your house in its as-is condition. That means you don't need to fix anything, you don't need to clean anything, and you don't need to haul anything away. We buy houses as is. What allows us to buy houses as is we don't use banks. We don't use a mortgage company. So we are a true cash buyer. That means there's no approvals necessary. There's no formal appraisals. We're not doing formal inspections, nothing like that. We are a true cash buyer, and that means you can sell the house in its as-is condition, but then also we could close on the date of your choice. You have all the control. When you're working with a buyer that's using a mortgage or a bank, you're at the whims or you're at the mercy of their lender. What happens if their lender wants to send the appraiser back out there, send the inspector back out there? It could be very cumbersome. It is so much easier to sell to a true cash buyer, and we have worked with hundreds and hundreds of people in the area. You can see all the testimonials on our YouTube channel or on our website, and we'd love the opportunity to speak with you. And when we get on the phone, again, this is not a call center. We're here, we're locals, we're from Ohio, and we're going to treat you like a neighbor because that's exactly what we are. So if you have a house in Maumee, Ohio, you're looking to sell fast, easy, and conveniently, give us a call today at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. Once again, we're based out of Columbus, but we actively buy houses all over Ohio and especially in Maumee. And again, we're not going to have any sales tactics or gimmicks here for you. Let's keep it simple, treat you with respect, just like we do with everybody, and we're going to treat you fair. So if you have a house in Maumee you want a fair cash offer on, call us today at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. I do look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.